Hey everyone, it's me, Silverwolf, and I've got a little update on Boswell. So, as you can see, he's a bit naked at the moment. Well, I'll talk about him more in a minute. We've only got two shout-outs, and they go to Horton and Alan Stromsk. So, as you can see, he is missing most of his plastics on his legs and on his body, as you can see on the sides there. Basically, what we did the other day was we took his legs apart, the tops and the bottoms of every leg, and inside he's got some plastic gears, which we cleaned in the hopes that it would fix the problem he has. Unfortunately, it didn't fix the problem. So we have another idea that we're going to try, and the other idea is basically, if you look in here, you can see right there is a little circuit board with these cables attached to it. We're going to take out some spare circuit boards from another 7 Series IBO and replace them with Boswell's. So hopefully the other IBO's ones will work and he should get rid of the joint problem that he's got. If that doesn't work, then it's going to be more complicated. Motors and things will have to be swapped out and swapped around, and it's going to be a bit of a pain. So we're hoping the circuit board thing will work. He does power up like this. Obviously he still has the joint problem. I'm not going to power him up right now, he's not got a battery in him anyway, but I thought you guys might be interested to see him without his plastics on, with all his little circuit boards and cables and whatnot. He hasn't actually been opened up before, because sometimes Sony they recalled the first generation of the 7 Series IBOs because they had problems, but he's a second generation one. So they haven't actually done anything to him, obviously, because he's got problems. So I'll move him closer to the camera so that you can all see what he looks like. He's got all these little circuit boards and things. It is extremely delicate and it is extremely involved taking apart his legs and stuff like that. You can see that's the circuit board we'll be replacing right there. 5 hours we spent on Skype doing a video call fixing up his legs and cleaning all these little gears, and it didn't work, but we are going to keep on going. We're not going to give up on him, because I was saying, well, maybe I should just sell him for parts, and my friend's like, no, don't do that, try and fix him. So we are going to try and fix him. I think he's worth it, we both do, and I've wanted a 7 Series IBO for so long that I don't really want to give up on him. There's the other circuit board from the other side. So at the moment I'm keeping him in a carrier bag, and the reason we haven't put the plastics back on is obviously we're going to have to take him apart again to do the circuit boards, and if we need to do anything on the legs, there's no point in putting him back together because he'll just have to be taken apart again, and getting the side panels off is a real nuisance because they're all they connect up underneath this, so you've got to sort of like lift that, and it's just a pain. So you can see he has no ears and he has no tail either. So that's just a little update on how Boswell is doing for those of you who were wondering. So hopefully in the next video he will be fixed. I really hope we can fix him. So yeah, that's it for today. Anyway, if you want to see any more videos of Boswell actually working, feel free to click the boxes in the video that come up about now, and I'll see you next time. This is Silverwolf signing off.